Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Our Little Heaven. Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to share with you some simple tips and tricks for kitchen. So here comes our first tip on cling wrap or plastic wrap, or the thin plastic film that we use to seal food items. When we try to open the cling wrap or pull out the sheet, we often get caught in a battle, right? Well, here is a simple tip. You just need to leave the roll in the refrigerator and it becomes smooth to use. After use, put it back in the refrigerator. Our next tip is add a pinch of salt to water while boiling eggs. This helps in getting evenly boiled eggs, thereby making it easier to peel off the eggshells. Our next tip is to use a steel spoon to scrape out the ginger skin. Our next tip is put 2 to 3 cloves in sugar container. This helps in keeping the ants away. If we leave glass bottle unused for a long time, we kind of get a foul smell. In order to avoid this, crumple up newspaper inside the bottle, put the lid and leave it on overnight. The newspaper should absorb the bad smell. Our next tip is on how to store green chilies for a longer time. Wash the chilies and air dry them. Pat it with a towel or a tissue. Pull out the stem of the chilies using hands, not a knife. Discard spoiled chilies so that they do not affect the rest of the chilies. As shown in the video, layer the base of a plastic container or the airtight container with a tissue. Keep this refrigerated and the chilies will last for a longer time. Our tip number 7 is insect or worm free storing tip for rice, lentils, pulses by using neem leaves or bay leaves. Drop a neem leaf or a bay leaf into the container and leave it on. Our next tip, adding a pinch of salt into masala powders helps prevent from moisture, thereby increasing the shelf life of powders. Our tip number 9 is how to store greens for a longer time in refrigerator. The process remains the same like how we did it for the green chilies. You need to air dry all the leaves or all the greens, wash them, air dry them, and then store it in an airtight container with tissue in the base and at the top. So here are my greens which I stored it in the refrigerator for last 2 weeks. Mint leaves, spring onions, coriander leaves. So these all are still fresh. So you can see them, it all looks very fresh. This is there in my refrigerator for past 2 weeks now. So my last tip is how to peel garlic without much chaos. Pour hot water to the garlic cloves and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. You can easily peel off the skin now. These are all tried and tested hacks. Do try them and do let us know your suggestions and feedback. See you all in our next video. Until then, bye from Anu and Tanu. Stay home, stay safe. Much love. God bless you all.